Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Gyan Knowledge Hub. Today in this video we'll discuss the midterm exam for class 6 social science. Maximum marks 60 and time duration is 2.5 hours. So I'll read the general instructions first. All the questions are compulsory. Marks are indicated against each question. Refer to the following word limit. 1 mark question 15 to 20 words. 2 mark questions 25 to 30 words. 3 marks questions 45 to 50 words. 4 marks questions 60 to 75 words. And 5 mark questions 75 to 100 words. So first is section A. Section A. Question number 1. Tick the correct option. Dash is the largest ocean in the world. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, or none of the above. Question number 2. The city of Lothal stood beside a tributary of the river Dash in Gujarat. Question number 3. Name the terracotta toys shown in the figure which children would have enjoyed playing with the most in Harappan civilization. So a picture is given of terracotta toys and you have to name the toys. Number 4. Find the error and rewrite the given statement correctly. When we fix people into one image, we create discrimination. Number 5. Name the following 2 continents lying completely in the southern hemisphere. Next question. Stereotype is a term in which people belonging to so-called lower caste used to address themselves. Is it true or false? Question number 7. Name the circle that divides the day from night on the globe. Number 8. Where was the special tank which was used by people for common rituals located? Question number 9. Name the utensil which is used for frying fish in Kerala. And question number 10. In the given question below, there are 2 statements marked as assertion and reason. Read the statements and choose the correct option. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. A is false but R is true. Assertion. It will be 7:30 p.m. in India when it is 2 p.m. noon in London. Reason. India is located west of Greenwich at 82°30 east, which is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So these were the questions from section A, 1 mark each. Now we come to section B. Define the following terms. Suffrage movement and number 2 is specialist. Question number 12. Why the Poles experience about 6 months day and 6 months night? All these questions of section B, they carry 2 marks each. Now next question. Question number 13. Give reason. Southern hemisphere experience winter and summer solstice in different times than that of the northern hemisphere. Question number 14. Why do government needs to make rules for everybody in the form of laws? Give any 2 reasons. Question number 15. Read the given statements carefully and identify which level of government, central, state or local, is responsible for the same. Number 1. Introduction to a new train between Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari. Number 2. The decision of introduction to board exams for all government schools. And number 3, decision to locate common well in a particular area of the village. And number 4 is the decision of the government to provide free electricity in Gujarat. So you have to tell which government is responsible. Now we come to section C, 3 marks each. People who grow crops have to stay at one place for long times. Why? Next question. What does Constitution say with regard to equality? Why do you think it is important for all to be equal? And question number 3 of this section. How do archaeologists know that cloth was used in the Harappan civilization? Now we come to the last section, section number D. First question from section D. What is the difference between discrimination and stereotypes? Second part of this question. How can the stereotype that girls are burden on their parents affect the life of a daughter? So each part of this question carries 2 marks each. Question number 20 of section D. How were the metals, writings, the wheel and the plough important for the Hadappans? So you have to write in detail. Next, name the major domains of the earth. Why biosphere is important for living organisms? Again, it carries 4 marks. Next question is of case study. Read the given stanza and answer the following questions. There were many bullock carts plying for hire, but my reply to the station master that we were mahars had gone round among the cartmen and not one of them was ready to suffer being polluted, and demean himself carrying passengers of the untouchable classes. Why bullock carters refused to take Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and his brother on their cart? This is the first question. Second part. How did this incident transformed Dr. Ambedkar's life in future? Next question. Draw and explain different heat zones of the earth with the help of a neat and well labeled diagram. This question carries 5 marks. Question number 24. List the ways in which life of kings would have been different from ordinary people that time. What evidence did archaeologists find from the past? There is a choice in this question. The second one is, why did archaeologists think that many people who lived in Mehergarh were hunters to start with and that herding became more important later? This question has 2 parts. List 3 ways in which hunter and gatherers used fire. How is it different from the one we use fire today? Next question. Mark the following important archaeological sites on the physical map of India. So this is map work. A Neolithic site, Mehergarh. A Paleolithic site, Bhimbedka. And the C part is one modern city. That is all. So I hope this question paper is going to help you in preparing for your exam, and it can also help the teachers to set the test or the exam. So I humbly request all of you to subscribe my channel, and please do like it and share it with your friends so that they can also benefit from this question paper.